Welcome. Today we are diving deep into self-doubt, identifying where it comes from, challenging its validity, and ultimately replacing it with truth and strength. This meditation is designed to help you break free from limiting beliefs and step into a more confident version of yourself. Sit comfortably, feet grounded, hands resting in your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Let's begin by settling into the present moment. Breathe in deeply. And release. Feel your body relaxing. Now, I want you to bring forward a thought of self-doubt, one that has held you back. Maybe it's a belief that you're not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough. Maybe it's something physical. Perhaps you feel you're not attractive enough, too fat, too thin, or not fitting into society's standards. Picture it now. Don't resist it, just observe it, as if you're studying it from a distance. Ask yourself, where did this thought come from? Was it something you were told as a child? A failure you once experienced? A comparison to someone else? Notice how this thought was planted in your mind, but also recognize it is almost always just a thought, not a fact. Now, challenge it. If a friend had this same thought, what would you tell them? Would you agree with this self-doubt? Or would you remind them of their strengths, their resilience, and their growth? Examine the evidence. Can you find proof that this thought is actually true? Or is it an assumption, a habit of the mind? If you decide there is truth to it, ask yourself, what steps can I take outside this meditation to work on it? Can I develop healthier habits, learn new skills, change my mindset? Self-improvement is possible, but it must come from a place of self-love, not self-criticism. Focus on the negative thoughts for 12 minutes. It can be one or many. Just follow the same steps for each one. Examine and question each. Then we can move on to the final step. If you happen to get done before the time is up, then just focus on your breathing, slow inhales and slow exhales. Begin. If you get overwhelmed or lose track of thoughts, then stop and take a deep breath and refocus. This takes practice but will get easier. Keep focusing on your thoughts. If done, then start focusing on the breath. One minute remains till the final step. If you need more time, just pause the video. Now, take a deep breath in and as you exhale, release the grip this thought has on you. Let it drift away like a cloud in the sky, knowing that it does not define you. Let's replace it with something true. Repeat after me, either out loud or in your mind. I am capable. I am strong. My thoughts do not define me. I define my thoughts. Repeat them one more time. I am capable. I am strong. My thoughts do not define me. I define my thoughts. Breathe in this truth and exhale any lingering doubt. Feel yourself lighter, freer, and more in control. Take one final deep breath in and let it go. Move your arms. Move your feet. Bring your awareness back to the room. When you're ready, open your eyes. You are more powerful than your doubts. Carry this strength with you